Hey gang, it's James here from Megawatt, and I have a toilet paper test update for you. Last video, we tested 7 different brands of toilet paper in just water alone to see which ones would dissolve the best. In this video, we'll test the 3 that did not dissolve very well, along with an enzyme-based toilet treatment from Liquefied. As a surprise, we've added a 4th test, and that test will include wet wipes. Here are the methods. Most experts and people with experience will tell you that you should have somewhere between 3 to 5 gallons of water in your black tank after you dump. To make sure the ratios were correct, I added 2 cups of water into a 1-gallon container. Every hour for about 4 hours, I added an additional 2 cups of water along with another sheet of toilet paper until the containers were 3/4 of the way full. For the toilet treatment, the directions say add up to 2 ounces of toilet treatment per 40 gallons of water. Well, 2 ounces is 60 milliliters, and that breaks down to roughly 1.5 milliliters per gallon of water. Let's get to the results. Amazon, the toilet paper actually started to show a little bit of dissolution after 1 hour. And then at the 4-hour mark, it showed even more dissolution. Interestingly enough, when it was poured into the sifter, a lot of the components were still held together in large clumps. But after a quick rinse with cold water, the toilet paper broke down quite well, simulating a similar rinse that you would have in your black tank rinse or a back flush. With the Camco, it didn't show much dissolution in 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and even dumping into the sifter, it didn't show much dissolution at all, and that's with a toilet treatment. So Camco for me gets a do not buy. It did dissolve some after a little bit of a rinse, but not enough to really be safe enough to be using in an RV or a black tank. Charmin, which ended up being a big surprise, actually showed quite a bit of dissolution in hours 2, 3, and 4. Once dumped into the sifter and rinsed, it probably performed the best out of all the brands across the spectrum. Now with the wet wipes, which everybody will tell you is an absolute no-go in your RV and toilets, this test will show you why. Even with an enzyme-based toilet treatment, it doesn't dissolve in 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, overnight, through a sifter, and even with some aggressive rinsing. Do not use wet wipes in your RV toilet. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions, please leave them below. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates from Megawatt off-grid capabilities and some future toilet treatment tests. Thanks, and I'll see you in the campground.